Giant. In this pandemic situation, we have understood the importance of our immunity system and how to boost our immunity system to make it more resilient towards any disease or even the coronavirus. Now, how do we boost our immunity system? How do we make it strong enough to fight the coronavirus or make it more resilient? The yoga talks about breathing exercises or what we call in Sanskrit as pranayam. Pranayam is divided into two words, prana and yam. Prana means life energy or vayu, and yama means control. So controlling of your breathing in a proper way constitutes the immunity system strengthening. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about 5 pranayams. Those 5 pranayams are very important to boost our immunity system. I'm going to list them and I'm going to tell their benefits. The first one is Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhana Pranayam, which supports the respiratory system and increases our heart health. Second one is Kapalbhati, which supports the weight loss and also improves digestion. Third one is Bhastrika, which drains out excessive phlegm and also calms down the mind and energizes the body. The fourth one is Bahaya Pranayama, which improves concentration and also improves abdomen immunity. The fifth one is Bhramari Pranayama. It's a stress buster and also calms down our mind and tones the nerves.
Come and sit in Padmasana. This has to be done by putting your right feet on your left thigh and your left feet over your right thigh. Now take Pranava Mudra. Close your index finger and hold it with your thumb as shown. Keep your shoulders a little back, opening your chest and making your spine straight. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Do this for 3 consecutive times. Now we shall perform the first pranayama, which is the Anuloma Viloma or Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Take right hand and take the fingers as shown. Now close your right nostril with your right hand thumb. Take a deep inhale through your left nostril and then while holding your breath, close your left nostril with your ring and small fingers and exhale gently through right nostril. Then take a deep inhale from your right nostril and close your right nostril with your thumb and open your left nostril and exhale gently. This is one full cycle of the pranayama. Do 10 such cycles of Nadi Shodhana or Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Next is Kapalabhati. Take a deep inhale and exhale sharply through your abdomen by contracting your abdomen sharply as shown. This is one stroke. Likewise, you need to perform 30 strokes initially. Next is Bhastrika Pranayama. Take a deep inhale. As you take a deep inhale, lift your both hands up with your elbows straight. Now, exhale sharply and as you exhale, bring your hands down as fast as you can and hit your elbows on your ribs. This is one stroke of the pranayama. Likewise, we need to perform 30 such strokes. This is not to be performed by high blood pressure patients. The next one is Bahya Pranayama. Take a deep inhale and as you inhale, take your neck back and face towards the sky or ceiling. Then sharply exhale and sharply take your neck down and touch your chin to your chest and lock it and contract your abdomen muscle and hold. Hold your breath there and don't inhale or exhale. Hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds according to your level of comfort. Then slowly inhale and take your neck back and again exhale similarly and hold breath. This has to be continued for 5 times consecutively as shown. Last one is Bhramari Pranayama. Take your both hands and close your ears using your thumb. Now, close your eyes and place the middle, ring, and small finger on your eyes and keep your index fingers above the eyebrows. Hold your hand tightly. Now, take a deep inhale through your nose and do a humming sound as you can hear here. This is one cycle. Like this, you have to perform 5 cycles consecutively without dropping your hands.
Now, as we had our eyes closed for the whole pranayama, now we have to open our eyes. To open our eyes, we take our palms like Namaste, and then we rub against our palms aggressively like this to create enough amount of heat on our palms. Once enough amount of heat is created, we slowly place on our eyelids gently, and then we open our eyes and we relax. Now coming to few tips. So the first tip is that we have to have a mat and sit on a floor for all the yoga exercises and also breathing exercises. The second thing is that we have to do all these breathing exercises during an empty stomach, and we can do all these exercises before sunrise and before sunset. So this is a period of time which we are allowed to do it, not in between, before sunrise and before sunset. That is the correct time for us to do these breathing exercises, and these exercises are very important to boost our immunity and make us healthy and fit. Jai Hind.